If you've ever looked in the mirror during summertime and wondered, why is my makeup slipping off like cheese on a pizza? Why does my hair look frizzy? Or all of a sudden my feet look 97 years old? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sonia. Hey girl. And today we're talking about summer beauty essentials. These are some summer beauty products that I wish I started using back in my 20s. Because I'm 41 right now, but honestly, it's never too late. A big thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video because there are a lot of products that I want to show you that are going to help all the summer struggles that not many people are talking about. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of the products that I'm about to show you. And if you guys love realistic beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, please consider hitting that subscribe button now and let's get started. I definitely would have taken sunscreen a lot more seriously if I knew that sun damage shows up more than just like a sunburn, right? It comes in the form of wrinkles, dark spots, dullness of the skin, uneven texture, loss of elasticity in your skin. That means it's not tight anymore, girl. And you wanna make sure that you look for ingredients like antioxidants or broad spectrum SPF. It's gonna protect against both UVA, which is the aging rays, and UVB, which is the burning rays. Write that down because that is the key. This is the Roche-Posay Anthelios UV Air SPF 50 and it retails for about $40. This layers beautifully under makeup and it doesn't leave your skin looking greasy or oily, so you don't have to worry about your makeup taking off on you. And I know that the sunscreen's a lot more expensive compared to the other drugstore brands and products, but I'm telling you right now, it is worth it. No shade on the other sunscreens. A lot of them, you're not even supposed to put them on your face. And we're like, and that's why you're breaking out, girl. So I'm just saying. This one feels so good on the skin that it's something that you can wear on a daily basis without feeling like, ugh. You know what I mean? I'm not being dramatic because you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you're gonna spend the money, it better be a product that you're gonna wanna reach for on a consistent basis versus a product that you're gonna avoid completely. Sure, it's cheaper, but it's gonna collect dust. Listen, I'm gonna get every single drop out of her. I have some on this hand and not some on this hand. You can see how beautiful the glow is. It's not greasy at all. It's not oily. It's not sticky. It's gorgeous. A product that's new to me is this one here. Everyone is raving about it, so I'm like, your girl had to get it. Please let me know your experience in the comments. This is the Dew Glow Moisturizer, broad spectrum SPF 50 PA plus. There's a lot of pluses. This is an invisible SPF from the brand Naturium. It contains moisturizing ingredients that help to keep the skin looking hydrated and healthy instead of flat or dry, which is especially nice if your skin starts to feel dehydrated in the heat. You're gonna wanna use sunscreen as your last step in your skincare routine. So right before you put your makeup on, make sure to apply your sunscreen. This is gonna cover your skincare, your SPF, and your makeup primer. If your skin and hair really tends to dry out during the summer, this product right here is so refreshing. This next one is a product from Paul Mitchell, and this is a moisture mist. You can spray it on your skin and your hair, and it smells so good, giving you a really instant hydrated look without feeling sticky or tacky. Look at my skin, I'm like, okay, glow. When packing for a trip or packing for a long day at the beach, I love multi-purpose products because, I mean, let's be real. Who likes a 15-step routine, especially when it's boiling hot outside? Not me. I need to color my hair, but it's also color safe. The products that make me look alive in like 5 minutes. If your lips get dry in the summer but still want shine and color, this is such an easy throw-on product. This is the COVERGIRL Yummy Big Oil Stick and it's $10. The oils help your lips to feel hydrated instead of sticky or crusty looking, and you can definitely apply this without a mirror. Smells like coconuts. If your powdered blush starts to look dusty and dry in the summer, then cream blush is definitely the move. This is the Neutrogena Healthy Glow Blush Stick. I believe there are a few other options. It's currently about $10. This is in the shade Soft Mauve. It's really easy to apply as well because it's in stick form. You can put this on the back of your hand and apply it with a brush, or you can just go straight to your cheeks with it and then just blend it in with your fingers. This next product is $5 and it's from the brand called Holler. This is their Beach Vacay. It's a coconut scented body and hair mist. This smells like a vacation. Just keep your eyes closed. This is the perfect product to keep in your beach bag. No one wants to smell like the sun. Do you know what I mean? like construction workers or kids on a playground. This smells incredible and it's a really easy touch up. Now let's do this part together. Everyone look down at their feet. So if your heels are dry, cracked, crusty, it looks like you walked through the desert, girl, or maybe you're walking around like sandal season caught you off guard, you need this. This is a Dr. Scholl's Pedi Perfect Kit. It's basically a pedicure in a box. The kit includes a foot soak, a pair of sole masks, reusable pumice stone. I always keep mine in the shower. And then of course, a foot cream. This is one of those things that instantly makes you feel more put together. This next product is a summer beauty must-have. This is the Nude by Nature Hydra Serum Mineral Radiant Drops. It's $11 and I got the shade Pearl, but there is a bronzy option as well. Wear it alone or you can mix it with your foundation. You can put it under makeup or like I'm doing as a highlight to the high points of your face. I would even add this to body lotion and rub this all over my chest, my arms, my legs. So beautiful. I mean, look at the shine. If your mascara smudges under your eyes, especially during the summer, then tubing mascara is literally gonna change your life. This is the Maybelline New York Sky Tubes Mascara and it's currently $11. This is all the rage on TikTok. Everybody and my son's mama, me, is talking about this mascara for good reason because the length that you get is insane. What makes it so special is that instead of flaking, falling down and smearing all over the place, it actually wraps around each lash like a tube and it's super easy to remove. All you need is warm water. If you're familiar with my content, you know that I do my nails quite often and my favorite way to do my nails would have to be press on nails with nail glue. It's just easy to apply, easy to remove, just like the ones that I have on today. This is actually a set from Salon Perfect. This is gonna be the next set that I'm gonna use. So if you don't have the time or honestly the budget, because if you try getting this style at the salon, you're gonna spend well over $100. These are quick and easy to apply. They're perfect for vacations, events, or just wanting to, be a little more fancy girl. These are all the summer products that I totally recommend. I know you guys are gonna love, and it just makes summer makeup, summer beauty so much easier and less high maintenance. Another thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. These are just a few of the amazing summer products that you guys can find at Walmart or on walmart.com. And if you want to try any of these products yourself, I made sure to create a list and I provided that down in the description box below, along with some helpful shopping links. If I didn't cover your summer beauty struggle, let me know in the comments below because I might have to do a part 2. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more content like this. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, wear your sunblock, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!